Hi Kenyans, today I want us to have a conversation about the QVSE trading platform, which is being operated by an organization known as Global Investment Group. And many Kenyans are falling into fraud and scams, and they end up losing their hard earned money. This platform claims to offer Kenyans an investment opportunity through automated trading. They also claim the offer trading signals to members, and members will be getting double profit of whatever they invest. And well, many Kenyans are looking for opportunities to make money, but the big question is this legitimate investment opportunity, or is it a scam? Should Kenyan investors be worried? One thing I want you to understand is that not every investment platform or investment opportunity that you come across on social media, whether it looks professional or not, is legit or safe. There have been many pyramid or Ponzi schemes targeting Kenyans. There was CBEX, and there have been many fake crypto mining apps focusing mainly on digital currencies, and others focus on stock trading and forex trading. And these schemes have defrauded Kenyans billions before shutting down. So, is QVSE a fraud or a scam? My honest opinion, the whole scheme is a scam. It fits well with all the characteristics of a fraud. In fact, the Central Bank of Kenya has provided a list of characteristics or features of fraud. You can go and check them. I will leave a link in the description below. So, one of the characteristics is that the investment scheme will offer extraordinarily high returns. This is what the scheme is offering. It offers investors double profits, and that's one red flag. The second characteristic is being promised a high return at no risk whatsoever if you invest in a particular scheme. And this is what is happening in this scheme. Profits are guaranteed. And that's very suspicious because investing in the stock market, the cryptocurrency market, or even forex trading comes with high risk. There is a risk of losing your money. There is a risk of not even making profit at all. So this is very suspicious. It's a red flag, and it's enough for you to keep away from this scheme. The next one, or this is the third one, being asked to invest in an institution or scheme which is neither regulated by nor registered with a regulatory body. This scheme is not registered, neither here in Kenya, neither they are regulated in the country, and even in another country. So you have to be cautious. Don't invest in something that is not registered here in Kenya, not licensed. You have to confirm whether any platform that you choose to trade with, if it's not registered here in Kenya, it has to be registered or licensed somewhere else, like in the UK, like in the US. And that's very crucial in order to protect your money. So that's another key point. The third one, being guaranteed a high return regardless of circumstances. The investment we are talking about appears to generate profits every day, every week, or every month, even when markets are performing poorly. Legitimate investments normally experience some fluctuations. There are times making profits it's almost impossible. So that's another red flag. The fourth one, being pressured into making an investment decision because an opportunity will close, or because the first investors make much higher returns than later investors. This is one of the most common characteristic of fraud, and it's happening here. And the next one, being bombarded with testimonials. I'm reading on the CBK website what is written there. Being bombarded with testimonials, especially from people who have made a lot of money or who constantly seem to be on holiday or surrounded by expensive cars and houses. That's happening, especially they do it on social media. I've been watching some videos on this, on people who have reportedly invested in this platform, using this platform, and they claim how much they are making, and that's one of the features of a fraud. The next one, being asked to invest in a scheme whose owners are murky or unclear. When I was researching about this on this scheme, I went to their website, and what I found, you can't find who are the owners of this scheme. For legitimate trading platforms, you will usually find the owners listed on their website, or if their owners is not listed, you will find a list of all the top leadership, like the CEO, the management, and that's an indication of a legitimate trading platform. And in this case, is not there. Their office address it's somehow questionable, because while they provide the address, they don't provide the actual building. So that's very suspicious. And this is why I'm saying this scheme is a scam. The next one, being promised higher returns the more people you recruit into the investment scheme. This is one of the major tactic all scams use. They will tell you to recruit more members in order to earn a commission. But why do they do this? Returns comes from new investors. Instead of generating sufficient profits through legitimate activities, the owners or the operator uses money from new investors to pay earlier investors. Initially, withdrawals may be easy to create, or it will be easy to withdraw your money, and this is meant to create confidence. Right now, some people have reported to have made huge profits. I found one on social media, on TikTok, claiming how much he has made, and this ridiculous amount. And this is a dirty tactic the owners use to create confidence in the scheme and to convince many Kenyans to join. But more investors requires more money, because they don't have enough genuine investment income. The scheme eventually struggles to pay investors, and once withdrawals exceed incoming funds, the whole scheme collapses. Another thing that defines fraudulent schemes is that they are often promoted through community or religious networks. And by doing so, it appears that they mainly target vulnerable people, or those people who are not well informed about investment. They are not well informed about the stock market, cryptocurrency market, or forex trading. And it's quite sad when people want to steal from innocent Kenyans. So why is this happening? Are Kenyans so desperate? Because these schemes comes and go, and many Kenyans continue to invest in such schemes despite hearing information about fraud and scams. Well, I won't blame Kenyans entirely. I think this happened due to several reasons. First, there is love for quick riches. Social media has created have is pressuring people to make quick riches. It's like creating love for lavish lifestyle. People want to build good houses. People want to own expensive cars, and they are looking for every opportunity that is out there, and this is creating an opportunity for them to fall into scams. The second reason is the desperate situation of our economy. Many people right now, they don't have jobs, especially young people, and there is also limited opportunities for people to make money and grow their wealth. So many are desperately looking for opportunities to multiply their money or whatever they have without work. This is even the reason behind the high uptake of risky investments in the country, like forex trading, gambling, and crypto trading. And we should be very worried about this trend because the schemes are destroying our economy. When people loses their money to these schemes, there are many subsequent outcomes like businesses fail, many families collapse, some people fall into mental illnesses, small businesses lose the way to be started, new startups and innovative ideas that could have transformed the society and created many jobs never come to existence. What should be done? First, I want to applaud the move by the parliament to investigate this scheme, and I think it should not end there. It's time we establish measures to prevent such schemes in the future. I mean, why allow Kenyans to lose? Then we start to act late. And to Kenyans, don't engage in any investment just because you hear people on social media they're making high returns. Do proper research. Make sure you understand what you are investing in and the risks involved, the returns that you get, and confirm to other people. You can seek professional advice before investing. And that's all from me today. Please like and subscribe, and also share your thoughts in the comment section below. What should we do? What policies should we implement or adopt to prevent such schemes? That's all. I will see you in the next one.